In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace null or missing data with zeros or existing data using the zn function in Tableau. If you're working with a dataset that has gaps in the data, you'll find this tutorial particularly useful. Let's dive right in. We'll start by opening the Tableau public app. If you haven't already downloaded and installed it, make sure you do so. Once inside the app, you'll access your worksheet. Have your data ready. This will help you follow along easily. Now select the sheet you wish to work on. This is where you'll apply the magic of calculated fields to handle those pesky nulls. Next, navigate to the top menu, click on Analysis, and select Create Calculated Field. This step is crucial as it allows us to write custom calculations that will manipulate our data as needed. We're going to name our first calculated field, Replace Empty Cells with 0. This makes it very clear what this field is meant to do, especially when you or someone else revisits this workbook later. After naming it, you'll need to type in the necessary query, which will leverage the zn function. It's a built-in function in Tableau used for replacing nulls with zeros. Once you've entered the formula, click OK to confirm. Now, we're going to create another calculated field which will have a different purpose. Again, go to Analysis and select Create Calculated Field. This time name it Replace Empty Cells with Last Value. This field will carry forward the last non-null value you have, filling the gaps with existing data. Enter the appropriate query and hit OK. With these calculated fields ready, it's time to visualize. Begin by dragging Measure Values to Text. This action puts all your measures on the text shelf, making them available for display. You'll want to tidy up what's shown, so remove some amount from the marks card. Clear out any other values from measure values as well, but do leave behind your calculated fields and some amount. This ensures you're focusing on the data you're working with. Next, drag measure names to columns. This step arranges your field names in a visually tidy manner along the top. Then you'll click on Measure Values in the marks card and select Format. In the Numbers section, choose Number, Custom, and set the decimal places to 0 for a cleaner look. After formatting, click on your Replace Empty Cell calculated field. Here, head to Compute Using and select Pane Down. This choice controls how your calculations are applied across the data. Finally, bring measure names over to the color shelf. This not only adds an aesthetic touch, but helps differentiate between your measures visually. And there we have it, a straightforward method to replace nulls with zeros or carry forward the last values using Tableau's zn function. By the end of this process, you'll have a clearer, more usable data set displayed on your screen. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Happy data exploring!